Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can apply for Wise card in Malaysia. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to make sure that you have your Wise account verified. So once you're in here, you go ahead and tap on the cards at the bottom, which is this one. So from the top right corner, you will see order a card option. So you click on that one and then you scroll until you see this physical card. So you click on this one and then what you're going to do is just tap on this order your standard card. So you tap on that one. So what you're going to do is just tap on the country and make sure that you type in Malaysia, which is this. So once you're done with that, you will just have to enter any part of your address or postcode. So you can enter it manually or you can also search it. So that's it. It's pretty easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.